We just received another glowing review from another one of our satisfied customers, and we wanted to share it with the world. Here's what they had to say.
Great service. I found the Abacus technician to be professional, courteous, knowledgeable, informative, and efficient.
But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself when you work with our expert team. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.